So over November, I had a few Thanksgivings with my American friends, and one of them showed me a hot butter rum drink, which I never heard about before. Like, okay, let's have a look what it is. I tried it, and damn, that was good. So I want to share that damn feeling with you guys. Let's see how to make it. So yeah, it's quite an easy recipe to do because it follows like one part kind of logic. So we need 1 part butter, 1 part brown sugar, 1 part confectioner's / icing sugar, depending on where it come from, and a bit more than 1 part of vanilla ice cream. So if, for example, you have 200 grams of butter, you're gonna have 200 grams of brown sugar, 200 grams of icing sugar, and a bit over 200 grams of vanilla ice cream. That's the logic. Sounds pretty easy, guys, right? So let's start doing that. So first of all, you need to start melting the butter. Before you put it in the pot, I would recommend you to cube it or slice it in cubes if you want. Make it easier to melt and faster as well. When that's melted, you can add your brown sugar, mix it well. Add your icing sugar, mix that well as well. Then add your spices, which are ground cinnamon, a bit of ground clove, and ground nutmeg. Mix that well as well, and then take it off the fire. When you're done with that, when you took it off the stove and let it cool for a bit, then you can add your ice cream. Mix that well. When everything is well, nice and incorporated, so yeah, put it in a container and leave it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours, better overnight, so it freezes completely. So after some of the hours of freezing, we have our hot buttered mixture, dough, batter, you want to call it. So it looks more or less like this. What you have to do now is just take a teaspoon of that. That should be enough. Put some shot of your rum, and then some warm water. Then mix that thing well. I can already smell all those spices. That's perfect. Great. And now, final touch. Come on. Grated a bit of the nutmeg on top. Here it is, hot buttered rum. Nice and silky texture. Warming. All the spicy things make you think of holidays. That's delicious. Perfect little treat that goes perfectly well with the holiday season, which is coming up right now. So, great. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please click on the like button. Share it with your friends if you want to make it together with your next, or with your family, even members, to make it at your next gathering. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos in the future, and I'll see you in the next one.